Hey, you know what would low-key kind of look cool on a Model 3 though?
What?
Would it look cool on a Model 3 though?
It would, but the problem is I think it would be really effing heavy.
It's all about the look, dog. It's supposed to look cool.
Tesla Model 3, we got another one in today, guys. We're gonna be tinting the entire car, every window, the front windshield, the sides, the back, the sunroof, and then after we're done with that, we're gonna be Clearbra in the full front end with Clearbra Nano. So while Dustin's working on the Tesla, Jonathan's actually working on the Ford Raptor. I'm not gonna show you too much of it because I'm actually doing a separate video just for this because it's a pretty big project, but I'll give you a quick little sneak peek. This is all you guys get.
Moments later.
So I'm about to pull in the Model 3 for us to do the Clearbra portion now of this car, but since we got done with the tinting, I want to show you guys what it looks like outside in case you guys are interested in doing the same shade. So on the sides here we have Photosync 45. You can see right in really easily, so if you like that look, then this is perfect for that. And this is what it looks like in the back. I know the sun is kind of shining on the window, so it's hard to see, but you can still see through the back. And this is the front, so this is Photosync 75, so you can see right in without any issues. Perfect if you want to show off that white interior. This is through the front windshield, so no issues at all. And this is through the sides as well as the back, so no problems whatsoever. Can you inspect my car, Grandpa Paul? Oh, f you. Wait, you don't think you can afford this?
I don't know.
Why not?
I can even afford the maintenance with this shit, man. This is too expensive to maintain.
It's just you, huh, Paul? Do you have Valentine?
Oh no.
Why don't you have a
I work
Valentine?
with Jimmy. I don't have no time.
Do you want to be my Valentine?
Hell no.
Don't you have a girlfriend, Paul?
Yeah.
Is she your Valentine?
Not ready.
So I can be your Valentine?
Hell no. Do I look like gay to you?
It's taken them so long to change the tire off of this wheel that it's collected dust. How long has the client been waiting for his wheel to get mounted?
It's like, yo, you make me feel like I can touch pH neutral soap and water.
Why?
Let's go in the dark, bro.
Why is there a glow in the dark? Oh my god, you know how Ted thinks it's a ghost here?
Pop, 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 let me close. We hang this somewhere so he checks the cameras at night and he just sees a cross hanging in the shop. I need to leave it in the sun for a little bit. Don't let me forget about it. What if we got like fishing line? Like, that way it's just like
Floaty? We have it right here! We have it ready to go. We just gotta tie the ends of it.
As a Catholic, it might be something that is kind of frowned upon.
Shut up. Just go.
Scary people with Christ.
As a human, it might be kind of funny.
Oh my god. Yo, can you imagine how scary that is at night? You don't see the strings, they're just glowing.
Bro, this next Sunday you're gonna see Ted at Lakewood Church praying.
Just a tip, just a tip, just a tip. With me.
Tip of the day, whenever you want terrible suds, you shake it all the time in one day. You go. Nothing comes out. Terrible suds. If you want proper suds, you only shake it once.
Who the f turned my water off?
Alright guys, that's it for the vlog for today. We want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Click up here for a video recommended just for you, down here for our newest video, and up here to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.
Wait, hold on.